Welcome to 65 Glencoe Street, The Range.
Come on in, let's take a quick look.
I absolutely love a property with character, and doesn't this one pack a punch? I'm obsessed with the wooden floors, the high ceilings and the BJ panelling throughout, not to mention the characteristic French doors and casement windows. Then this could be the property for you. I absolutely love the large corner kitchen with 5 gas burner that connects effortlessly through to the large outdoor entertaining space and open plan living.
65 Glencoe Street on the Range is a charming home, but what I love most about it is this great location. If we can help you own this home, give us a call. We'd love to help you out.